Hey folks, over this video I'm going to be walking you through Ollie.social, which is something that I should have covered long time back, but a tool like this did not necessarily exist. So basically Ollie allows you to automatically generate comments directly in your browser, and let me just show you what I mean by that. Let me find a post that I like. So let's say I like this one. What I can basically do is I can quickly select the text, and you can see it's kind of recognized that this is from Twitter. Allows you to do four things. So comment on a post, check virality score of a post, generate a similar post, and reply to a comment. So let's say we want to generate a comment for this post. To basically click on generate by selecting the text, and it will automatically generate a comment for you. You can see it's also kind of taken the name into consideration. Sharing and supporting each other work is such an important part of creative community. This is basically what the tool does. But the best part about the tool is not that it can generate the comment, but it can do it in your own voice. Let me open the extension settings here. And this is very simple to set up. And this is only one time setup, right? So there is the step one where you turn on the extension after you add it in the browser. I'm also going to show you how you do that. Second, you can use the model. Choose the model that you want to use. The best part about the extension is that it allows you to directly connect with your OpenAI API key. So you're not paying any subscription charges. You're directly connecting to the OpenAI account, and based on the usage, per my experience, I used it for an entire month and I spent less than $0.5, right? So this is how dirt cheap the tool really is, especially when you're generating short comments. But obviously, if you're doing things like generating posts and generating long comments and stuff like that, the cost may vary. But once you kind of select the model, there's a guide on how to activate the plugin. So I'll share the link for that as well. And then you can select the tone, right? So there are a couple of options here. There is excited, friendly, formal, funny, angry, sad, and mean. And you can select whatever tone you would want to. Generally for me, friendly works. And then here intent is basically how would you want to end your comment. So you can ask a question in the end, which will improve your engagement. You can congratulate and end the comment there, which is good for basic engagement, or you can state a fact. So it basically depends on how you want your comment to end. Then reply length is short in most cases, primarily because I think shorter comments are great, especially just when you just want to congratulate someone, right? So once you kind of do this first level setting, you're done. You never have to visit this extension setting again. Now, all you need to do is go to social media website, and if you just install the extension, and I'm also going to be showing you how that works, refresh the page, this should pop up. Talking about the installation, you can click on add Ollie to Chrome. This will redirect you to the Ollie page. You can see it has more than 100 users already. You can add it to your Chrome and it should appear in your Chrome bar. Go to the Chrome bar and then pin Ollie here, then easier to kind of access later on. Once you do that, there is an option to get lifetime access. So the great part about the plugin is that there is no problem when it comes to subscription. You just have to pay for the plugin one time, and as of right now, the plugin is for I think $29 and not $49. They are running a discount, so there's an issue here. If I open this, the plugin is for lifetime access. Yeah, it's $30 at a relatively cheaper rate. I'll reach out to the team to see if they can give us a discount code of sorts. But once your plugin is installed and you have access key and stuff like that, there is a guide on how to set this up. This is very simple. It takes a couple of seconds to, or at max a couple of minutes to set it up. Once you do that, you're set for generating comments on a bunch of websites, right? So the websites that are supported are LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Product Hunt, Twitter, and even websites like Hacker News, Quora, Medium. So a bunch of websites are supported, and they are actively adding websites. You can see the logos that the websites that are supported in the background here. It works also on LinkedIn. So let's say I select the comment here, you can see it popped up. It also recognizes the platform as LinkedIn, so it will generate customized reply for that platform, right? So you can see the reply itself sounds very, very encouraging and great, just like how I would want it to be. It also works on Product Hunt and stuff like this. There's also another guide on how to use it across different social media platforms, so I'll also link that for you. But beyond just commenting itself, it can also do four other things. So it can generate virality score of a post. So let's say you're writing a post and you just want to quickly understand how likely that post is to get viral. You can see basically what you can do is select the post text and then click on generate by selecting virality post. It will give you a quick rating with respect to what it thinks is the virality score from 1 to 10. So it has a catchy hook with the phrase, my journey feels like it has come full circle and stuff like that. and it will generate like an entire review for that specific post for you, which is really helpful when writing posts to get some early understanding things like having hooks in the right place, having right sort of content, language, and so on and so forth. Next, it can also generate similar posts for you. So if I go to my Twitter account here and then I select the one of my posts here, and then I can select the option where I can say generate a similar post, and then it should be able to generate a similar post that sounds like this for myself. And that's all of that is done right in the browser, right? And all of this is also customizable, so you can customize the tone of the posts, the length of the post. So it's really helpful to have like a browser based assistant. It's almost like ChatGPT is with you at all points of time. The best part is again that you're not paying for any subscription. It's one-time purchase, and then effectively what you are doing, just paying for what you are using. And I love it because I hate subscriptions, and products like these are changing kind of trajectory of the subscription model per se. So really excited for you to give it a try. And if you have any questions, feel free to kind of reach out to the support team here or directly add in the Q&A or comment section. I'm also going to be exploring if it's possible to give you like a discount coupon given that you're a student of this course. But otherwise, this is an awesome extension and genuinely helpful use case of AI in general. So really excited for you to try it out. All the very best.